Well, good day everybody. It is Saturday here in Australia and it's Friday in most of the places around the world. So I'm just going to go through these names so that you can, I'll try and do it as slow as possible and as quick as possible, if you know what I mean, and try not to shake too much. So these are all the names that were posted in the comment box under the video. And whoops, there more. Nope, go this line now. And now we're going up. So all I did was I just copied and pasted, so you can see some comments there as well. That's why you are seeing the comments, because it was much quicker to just copy and paste and then use my guillotine to cut. Much quicker. So I hope you are catching all this. You can always go back to it and have another look, make sure that you were there, but there was no mistaking with getting people on this list with this one, because I've asked anybody interested to post their name, to type their name in the comment box, which makes it much easier for me to just copy and paste. Next line. There are a couple of people on this list who have also shared my art page, so thank you for that, and I'm going to come across them as well. I just added them to the list because I did say if anybody wants to share my art page, they can, and they will go on the list as well. I can see some people on this list actually who have purchased some of my pigments just recently. So that's good to see as well. All that support is just amazing and wonderful. So that's that one. Next line is up here. I'm going slowly so you don't get dizzy. Okay. There's quite a few there. And I'm sorry that I'm doing it this way and not reading them out, but trust me, it would take me longer to read them out than doing it this way, because I'll probably pronounce some of the names wrong and then I'll get a little bit frustrated and embarrassed. Okay, so now that we have done that, where's my tripod? Oh, hold on a second. Okay, so I got my tripod on now, so all I have to do now is move them all out, and just so that you can see what I'm doing, and so that it doesn't look like there's no monkey business happening. So what I'm going to do is, I've got my bucket. I still have people in there from the last draw, and I know I did say that I was going to include them in this draw, but I don't think it would be fair. So I'm still going to keep these names for the next draw, which will be similar to this one, where people were asked to share my art page. So I'm going to keep them aside for the next draw and add them, because this one was a completely different one, mainly for people who don't have Facebook. So okay, while I'm doing that, so you can see that I'm folding it up and popping them inside. Okay guys, I went ahead and folded all of these names, and my video stopped in the middle of folding, and it's so annoying, so you're just gonna have to trust me. My little bucket is a bit too small, so I went and found this container. Let me line you up a little bit better so you can see that. Hold on a second. Go up a little bit. There we go. So here, oh, things are popping out. So I'm just going to pop all of them right in here. like so. Okay, empty bucket. And I went and got a piece of cloth, which is just an old t-shirt. I always keep old t-shirts. They're really, really handy because, you know, you can use them in the studio. So let's go. Little drum roll. Let's see. Let's do this. Give this a little stir all around, and let's pull out one possible. Oh, it's a smallish one. What is it? What does it say? Patricia Colombo says, "You never disappoint." Okay, here you go. Congratulations, Patricia. You've won this painting. So I will be contacting you to arrange, you know, what the shipping is going to be and your address and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to put number 1 here because you are the number 1. And then we're going to pull out of this container another name, and that's Lila Cosman. Lila, congratulations. You are going to receive a 5-pack of my new pigments, new line of pigments. I've put number 2 there for you, so I know that you're getting the pigments. And one more, going to receive some pigments. There we go. Oh, I pulled out 2. Look at that. Okay, let's see. One is Mary Mindak. Love your videos. Do you ever teach classes? Oh, I do. There we go. Lucky you. You're going to get some pigments, and you are a number 3. And, well, I can't ignore this one. Who is this one? Thank you for your videos. Colleen Cole. I don't know if I pronounced that right. But you have also won some pigments. So there you have it. You never know what's going to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of the rest of you, I'm sorry. I wish I could give away something to all of you, but keep in touch and keep watching my videos, please, because I will be giving out some more giveaways, paintings, some of the, oh, so you can see me, paintings, as well as the pigments and things like that. So thank you so much for participating. I really appreciate it, and you're really helping by watching my videos and sharing my videos. That's a really big help. And I do apologize for running late with this draw. That's only because I've been extremely busy and trying to sort out the orders that I've been getting. So I may be late, but you know, I do show up and show the goods. So there you have it. Thank you again, and I'll see you again in another video. Have a good one. Mwah.